Why had you called me? I said I'm busy.
What you are busy with?
Doing actual work.
नौकरी तो है नहीं आपके पास. Do you use AI?
अरे यार, साला, I am so sick and yes,
चलो, tell me what is Copilot?
the pilot that flies next to the main pilot.
Tell me what is Copilot.
I don't know what that is.
So what kind of AI do you use if you don't know what is Copilot?
I don't know what co-pilot is, भाई. I really don't know.
Wow.
ये आपने इसलिए हमें फोन किया था सब नॉनसेंस क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए?
Have you watched Kota Factory?
No,
कब देखेंगी?
I am too lazy to start a series. I have no patience for series.
That's a new low, Shadow. It's a new low.
क्यों ऐसा? What is?
Jobless person too lazy to watch TV.
Yes, I don't want to commit to series. I am commitment phobic.
Will you watch Ishq Vishk Rebound?
What the hell is that now? Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Yes.
What does rebound mean?
It's a retelling, yaar.
Of what?
Ishq Vishk, the movie.
चलो फिर पूरा गूगल करें. इश्क विश्क रीब. Who are these people?
It seems to have good ratings.
Follows lives of 4 young people who become enmeshed in a web of friendship, love and self-discovery. Sala? No, I will not be watching this nonsense.
You don't want to watch anything, basically.
I'm not sure what I want to watch, but I definitely don't want to watch this. I really want to watch Inside Out.
But every time I go to the cinema, it's full of little children who will
You
probably
can,
dance and clap at every scene.
you can go in the non-kid cinemas, na?
What's a non-kid cinema? आपके सिंगापुर में इस टाइप का discrimination है?
Yeah, because here they have something called the Dreamers Lounge, which has like play area for kids. Then there is the no kid allowed.
Wow, quite discriminatory.
Really, I don't know what I want to watch. I want to watch like something modern, or maybe like a nice thriller or something. Yeah, like a murder mystery or something smart. Yeah.
ऐसी कोई पिक्चर देखना चाहते हैं शाडू जो हमें हिला के रख दे, झंझोड़ दे, जो पिक्चर जो हमको अंदर तक मतलब ऐसा घबरवा दे कि हम
That is Amish.
आई वांट टू वॉच अ मूवी जो हमको इतना मतलब डरा दे बुरी तरह से कि हम थर 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 कांपने लगे.
I don't think there is any such thing. I don't know what that is, but chalo.
That is literally what I want.
There is a movie called Welcome Home, inspired by real life incident in Nagpur.
Welcome home
This is thar thar aane wala, it seems, because it's 93%.
with Akshay Kumar. उस टाइप का नहीं थरथराना हमको.
No, what the hell is Akshay Kumar in Welcome Home?
हमको ये थरथराएगी.
Person has commented saying super creepy, couldn't sleep that day.
Okay, I will watch then. Where to watch?
It's on Hotstar.
Welcome home.
नहीं, मेरा सर. बोलो भाई, ये चपर चपर what you are doing?
Writing email.
तो हमें क्यों बैठा रखा है?
Because that's how we roll. ठीक है? That is how we goal. आ जा रे तुझको मेरा प्यारे पुकारी.
क्या छड़ियल गा रही हैं आप? Tell me more फटा news, then go.
It's freezing cold.
You said it is beautiful summer,
It comes sometimes, then it goes, then it gets hot, and then it gets cold.
but that other one is in London, na? The one I sent you, Ratak.
पता नहीं क्या बोल रही हैं, झटैक पटैक रटैक क्या कर रही हैं आप?
I sent you na one couple, Ratak, that is in London.
पता नहीं कौन रटैक, हटो.
Very soon, Ralia will also be in London.
क्यों?
Because now it's time for everybody to be in London.
Why not go to Italy?
They do. They just went there na for Ambani Fiesta.
Why not go to Spain, Greece? सारे लंदन के लोग वहां भागते हैं, ये लोग यहाँ क्यों भागते हैं?
Because London has best of everything and language.
नहीं.
Yes. Spain में ओला ओला कर करके उनका दिमाग वो हो जाएगा ना.
Shadu, really, there must be a reason why they all come here.
Because you get everything, yeah. It's not like it's only scenery or something. You also get like cafe culture. You also get that culture of walking around in the city, eating local food. It's pretty reasonable. Chalo, even if they go to Amalfi Coast, cafe and food they are getting. But if they want to go shopping,
इतनी शॉपिंग करनी है, मतलब really शॉपिंग के लिए छुट्टी पे आए हैं?
yes, that's why London is good. Language, no problem. Visa you've got for 5-10 years. Indian food also can. Western food also can. Italian food also can, shopping also can, driving
Sorry,
also
yeah.
can, touring
Maybe
also
because in
can.
other countries nobody gives a shit about them. Maybe that's what it is.
Nobody gives a shit in UK also.
In London, they might do na.
They don't, but it's too crowded for
चलो
people to notice.
बेल्जियम को भूल गई, चलो हमारे साथ तो हो गई बेइज्जती. How will they, with their fragile egos, handle बेइज्जती there?
I don't think so. I was
Maybe
watching this
that's why.
interview of this Karan Johar literally sitting and having coffee. There were people behind him, but people were walking around. This was on Bond Street or whatever.
अरे यार, you can do this in any country.
Arey, but where you will get like this kind of road?
मिलानो.
नहीं, वहाँ अंग्रेजी नहीं आएगी उसको. They'll just have to do chow, uno, order and all. They don't want to do.
नोबडी, इतना तो अंग्रेजी आती है बड़े शहरों में सबको.
I don't know that.
इतनी तो
Uno,
आती है.
uno, ordero,
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है भाई.
garlico, vino, pasto. Por favor. Monsieur?
क्या है?
Monsieur, por favor.
Please speak English.
But Monsieur, wanto uno pasto. Merci, por favor.
Mercy,
¿Cómo,
por favor. Wow.
¿Cómo estás, Monsieur?
वो यही कहेगा सामने से कि you speak English, please.
No, I am learning language.
But why my language you have to learn?
Saya want uno coffee, dons uno pasto.
चुप है. I can speak Hindi. You can speak Hindi.
Niet, por favor. Sheshe, Monsieur. Monsieur.
She.
And uno tiramisu, por favor. You have
Okay.
mademoiselle?
We don't have mademoiselles.
You marido? Mademoiselle, your mademoiselle?
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Your wifeo, your mademoiselle.
क्या करना है उसका?
No, my mademoiselle here next to me. Here.
हाँ तो
Your mademoiselle?
not next to me.
Oh,
Why wasting my time?
okay. Uno tiramisu, por favor, monsieur.
I am quitting job. You order to somebody else.
No, gracias. Okay? Au revoir, monsieur.
Bye.
But tiramisu, packing.
Khuda Hafiz.
No, tiramisu. Packing, box.
It is in the box on the counter. Please take
Oh,
and get out.
okay. Ciao,
हाँ
monsieur.
हाँ
Buongiorno.
हाँ, चलो निकलो.
Buongiorno.
Bye.
No. Say buongiorno.
हाँ, buongiorno. चल.
नहीं, not buongiorno. It's buongiorno. Say buongiorno, monsieur.
Buongiorno.
Augury today? Bon augury?
नहीं.
Okay, bye. Going.
हाँ, चलो निकलो यार.
You want Bollywood celebs to do this?
This is what the shop worker will be saying.
That's why they prefer going to London.
Shadu, yeah, they will not be able to handle the fact that nobody is paying attention to them.
No, they like that.
I don't give a shit. Have
like...
you watched Kapil Sharma show on Netflix?
No.
Watch, it's funny.
Acha, which one?
I watched the Karthik one. It was a fun one.
Who he came with?
Mother.
Whose mother?
His mother.
She is also in the movies?
No, they just brought.
Why?
I don't know, Shadu. Maybe she wants to come. I don't know.
Well, that's weird. Nobody knows her then.
Well, then they introduced her as his mother. So then they knew.
Okay, that's weird.
Why?
I just think he is very like baby face, yaar.
So that is a problem?
No, it's a good thing. But I don't know. It's very... I don't know, yaar.
Really, I cannot help you.
I mean, I'm sure he is good and all. I don't. It's too much of this, like, laughing with dimple act, which I can't really stand.
Ralia ko she can stand with the dimple act.
Ralia is not dimple act, na?
That's what people say. वो इसीलिए मुंह टेढ़ा टेढ़ा कर करके बात करती है because dimple act.
But apparently they have broken that down to figure out that it's a Botox problem.
That's better.
It is face paralysis.
I really don't care. Anyway, I like the Karthik episode. Was good.
Congratulations to you in that case.
Thank you.
Okay, hang up this khoni call.
Bye.
मैं तेरी आंखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं।
Should I?
गाने के बीच में आपने बोल दिया।
हाँ, ताकि आप चुप हो जाएं।
तो मान मेरी जान तुझे जाने ना दूंगा। Yeah, listen to my heart, your body in my arms. क्या है अगला? अगला क्या है?
I don't know Pehla also.
What is next line?
I literally don't know what is this song.
Oh wow, this is Nick Jiju's song. You don't know?
नहीं.
Running right through my veins, all the way up to my heart. You don't know this song?
नहीं.
बहुत आप लेट रिप्लाई कर रही हैं. Either voice is reaching late or you are researching the song.
I am not researching because I'm not liking it.
अच्छा, I thought you are a big fan of Nick Jiju.
नहीं, I'm not.
Cut this call. Pati is calling.
नहीं. He is not.
Where is your pati? Where is your
काम कर
pati?
रहा है वो.
अच्छा अच्छा. इतना ऐसा कामकाजी is he Obama?
ओबामा से भी बढ़कर है वो. Tell me something for pimple.
You have been asking this question. चलो फिर से हम वही.
Please look at my face, यार. It's really completely gone.
यही मुंह लेके हम आपके पास आए थे. Mine was red and burning also. I was like, बहन, help me. I have pimple. That is because you eat junk food.
Shadow, यार. Please help.
I have been waiting for the day I get to do this to you back.
Please, यार.
Just simplify your skincare. Stop using acids and actives.
Then what to use?
चलो फेस वॉश में क्या? चलो शुरू से शुरू करते हैं.
Salicylic acid.
हाँ तो कट.
The Cetaphil one, yaar. It's gentle.
You double cleanse.
First, I used the Body Shop makeup cleanser and then I used Cetaphil.
Get a proper cleanser. Get the Dermalogica or something proper.
Which one?
Get the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. That is good for me. But if you want, you can get the Bobbi Brown pre-cleanse is also good, like the oils. Use oil, not balm.
And then?
Then use moisturizer. That's all.
Okay, I will give it a good shot.
इसमें कोई शॉट देने की जरूरत नहीं है वैसे तो, but okay.
Okay.
Find something that is not suiting. I genuinely started writing down what I was doing to see what's making it worse.
I will try. What was your problem?
It was the sunscreen, I think.
Okay, thank you.
And I also feel like actives don't suit my skin, like AHA, BHA, salicylic.
Okay.
If you stop stressing so much, then you will not get pimple.
I literally cannot understand.
If you eat the right thing, you will not get pimples.
I literally cannot
This is called
understand.
karma. ठीक है? This is karma. जब हम रोते
मेरा
रोते आए थे and I was like, नहीं, I have stopped eating Maggie. I don't eat anymore. Bye. You basically lifestyle shamed me.
I really don't think so.
You had really lifestyle shamed me. When you stop eating cake every day, then you will not get pimples.
काफी मीन है आप.
मैं तेरी आंखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं. तुझे खुश मैं रखूंगा मेरे यार.
Wow.
Baby, don't go. I need you near.
I'm sick and I'm tired, yaar.
Yeah, listen to my heart. Your body in my arms.
Please, yaar.
Okay, take that problem elsewhere. Did you watch Oman?
Oman.
Yes,
I
Oman.
I don't want to watch philosophy movies.
Arey, the first Oman, Pehla Oman.
Omen rather than Oman.
Did you watch or no?
नहीं, you.
You only told me to watch, na?
ओ मेरे मन.
अरे watch Lights Out. Lights Out में हम थर हुए थे.
Who is in this movie?
हुलाला 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 तू है मेरी फैंटासी. ए छुनाना 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 छुनाना.
चुप रहे. काट यार.
काटो रे काटो. काटो रे काटो.
Okay, काट रहे हैं. Okay, bye. Cutting, cutting. This
Okay.
nonsense call I'm cutting.
Say the words and
हाँ.
go.
हाँ, पो.
Ta-ta. Bye.